The 1941 Cadillac is one of the most photographed Cadillacs of all time. My objective was to fabricate and restore a unique Woody, either a 1941 Packard or a 1946 or 1947 Ford Woody, until a friend of mine, who is extremely knowledgeable about vintage cars, sent me a photograph of a 1941 custom Woody built for a Hollywood movie star. It was one of the most unique and rare builds. I submitted 3 different Woody photographs to friends who are knowledgeable about vintage cars, and all of them selected the Cadillac Woody. I selected the drivetrain because most Woodies that have been updated use a 350 GM engine and a 700R transmission with a Camaro rear end for reliability and parts accessibility. My custom 41 Cadillac Phantom Woody has been completely dismantled and reassembled with new and rebuilt parts. The unique design of the rear roofline gives it the appearance of a modern luxury SUV. The wood frames on the doors, side panels, and rear hatch were hand-selected from hard rock maple and mahogany. The interior door and window frames, as well as the wood ceiling bows, are trimmed with stainless steel. Polished aluminum frames were added to give it a unique, custom look that other utility wagons do not have.